Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to install Vidko on your own hosting cPanel. Vidko can be installed by only white label user. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Vidko white label account. You have multiple options, but in this tutorial, we will focus on installing Vidko on your own hosting. Now let's learn how to install it on your own hosting. It's very easy, just follow along. Go to the sidebar and click on the white label and download the Vidko file. To your PC, the download will only take a few seconds. Now you will see the Vidko zip file that you just downloaded. We need to upload this file to your server. Next, we will go to the cPanel to set up the Vidko installation. This is my cPanel admin panel. Scroll down to the Files section and click on the File Manager. This will open a new window displaying the structure of your server, including all folders and directories. Locate the folder named Public HTML. This is where we will place the files, so ensure you navigate inside the Public HTML folder. In my case, I already have several pages in folders, so I created a subdomain called tutorial.vidko.in. This is where we will upload the Vidko zip files. Next, click on the Upload button. To open the upload screen, this supports drag and drop functionality. Go back to Windows Explorer and drag the Vidko zip file into the upload area. The upload should complete in less than a minute. Once the upload is finished, go back to File Manager, and you can see the file is uploaded. Right-click on the file and choose Extract. Select the folder where you want to extract the files. Once extracted, you can delete the zip file by selecting it and clicking on Delete, and then permanently deleting it. Next process, open the new tab and visit your domain. Display a page asking for some database connection details, such as the database host name, username, and password. To provide these details, we'll go back to cPanel and create a new database. Click on the MySQL database wizard. Write the database name, then click on the Next Step button. Next, we need to create a new user for this database. Enter a username. Enter a secure password. Then click on the Create User button. Now the user is successfully created. Now I'll click on this box to give all privileges to this user, and then go to the next step. You will now see the user is added to the database. Go back to the Vidko setup page and input the required database details. Enter the database name, enter the database username, and enter the password. Then click the Next button. After connecting to the database, you will be prompted to enter your full name, enter the email address, and a password to set up your Vidko admin. Then click the Complete Setup. Next, you have to add your product name here and upload the product logo. Then click the Complete Setup. Account has been successfully created. We can log in here. Your Vidko app is now installed. However, to generate videos, you must set up a cron job. Setting up a cron job is mandatory in Vidko. Without it, the app will not function properly. I will show how to set cron job in Vidko. Let's get started. Go to the sidebar and click on the settings. To generate the video, you have to set a cron job. Click on Copy button to copy the cron command. We hope that every server support the command. Next, we will go to the cPanel to set up the cron job. This is my cPanel admin panel. Scroll down and click on the cron job. Scroll down, and we will paste the code of the cron command that we have copied here. Now it's all about how frequently we're going to execute this command, and we're going to understand what's happening on the back end. For example, when email sends out the mail in the back end and schedules automatically triggered mail at different times, so all those things will happen for the cron. It will depend on the timing at which this script is going to be executed, and based on that, your mails are going to be triggered. So let me get started with the timing settings. Here you can write out the timing as per your requirement, but in panel, we have some built-in setup. For example, we can run it once per 5 minutes, twice per hour, etc. So let me choose once per 5 minutes, and you will see that in this setup the timings are automatically generated for us. So in this sense, if you want to change it to once per 2 minutes, you can change it from here. Here's how it's going to work. Every 5 minutes, this grand command is going to be executed, and it's going to check whether any emails have been scheduled or whether it's the correct time to trigger the mails. So all of these things are going. Click on Add New Cron Job to save the setup. You can see here that the cron job has been successfully added. That's how easy it is to install Vidko on your own hosting and how to set a cron job in Vidko. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.